Well, welcome to my channel. I am creating a new YouTube channel. I never thought that I would be doing one, but I built or rebuilt a Yamaha Virago just recently and put it on the YouTube channel or on YouTube to get send that video over to my brother, who just didn't have a good way of seeing the bike rebuilt. And I thought, you know what? It's kind of interesting. That video was only meant for him and it's gotten close to 500 views. So I thought, you know, it would be kind of fun to make a new YouTube video showing the progress on rebuilding my next bike, which is a 2006 Honda ST1300, and it's a police bike edition. I received it from my brother as a gift, and he bought it in a state that it stopped running, so he only needed to pay a few $100s for it. He has another bike which is the very same model, and so we thought we would get both of them running and go for rides. So I thought, well, what the heck, I would go ahead and make a YouTube episode, several episodes on trying to get this thing going. I haven't started the bike. I haven't done anything. I haven't taken it apart or anything. And this be a journey into the unknown. This bike is a bit intimidating. It's a police model, ST1300. And looking at the manual, it's about 400 pages long. And looking at the wiring and the internals for this and any other kind of video or resource that I can find, it's pretty intense. So it's a bit intimidating. I am going to take this one step at a time, but I thought, well, let's just make a journey out of this. I want to share this video mainly for my brother, but if I make some video discoveries that can help somebody else, then fantastic. So I thought, well, what the heck, let's make a journey out of this. So I have officially started this build. Haven't turned any screws on it yet though. As of August 20th, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the bike. So I got the garage clean, the shop area clean, ready to go. So the next episode should just start showing the dismantling of the bike, the just mapping out certain things, maybe cleaning it first, see where it is, maybe getting the engine to turn over a little bit to see if I've got good compression. But again, this is a complete start. I have no idea where to look. The place that my brother said to start looking is at the engine, because when the last owner had it, the engine started running rough and shut it down. So I think everything else on the bike should be pretty good, but the engine is a bit scary for me, because getting into this one is no easy task. So let the games begin. So this is the introduction to the rebuild of the 2006 Honda ST1300 and my very first YouTube video channel, YouTube video. So let's see where this goes.